How to block ads on Safari browser iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device. Here, scroll down to the bottom and tap on the apps option you see there and scroll down again and navigate to Safari. Tap on the Safari option you see there and further scroll down, and now under the General tab you will see the Block Pop-ups toggle button. So go ahead and toggle on the toggle button for block pop-ups, and with this, ads on Safari will be blocked. So this is how you can block ads on Safari browser on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.